I'd have to say that looks like crap, but there's no weeds. What'd you say that yard was, Vicki?
Torture.
Absolute torture.
It was
Afternoon, ladies!
So that lawn was torture today. It was all dust. And I felt bad because I put my grass flap down because we were out by the highway, and it's like all that dust is just blowing everywhere. And
no, it was...
the dust flap kind of made it worse because it got trapped. But anyways...
Dust flap?
Or
grass
the
flap.
Grass flap, yeah. But anyways, we got her mowed. We cut her short. It's probably going to be, like Mark said, a few weeks before we get back on there because the tires are just ripping up the grass.
Yeah, they are.
So, anyways, all we can do is hope for some rain and it'll be great. Everybody have a good night. Peace. Goodbye.